Tips and tricks on reducing your acid reflux. Having acid reflux can quickly become problematic within everyday life. Besides the pain and inconvenience that comes along with this experience, having to explain it to others can become tiresome. Make it more tolerable to live with acid reflux by watching these tips in this video and using them. It is important to avoid vigorous exercise if you deal with GERD. When you are compressing the stomach violently, you'll find that acid makes its way up into your esophagus. Instead, engage in moderate activity which helps you lose weight, stay in shape and yet ensures that acid stays where it belongs. Stress can cause your muscles to contract, and when this happens to your stomach, acid will be pushed upwards. Try some relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, yoga or meditation to reduce your stress and help you deal with situations which can be emotionally tumultuous. When you master these techniques, acid reflux may be reduced. Slippery elm, when ingested as a supplement, can help thicken mucus in your stomach and reduce erosion of the stomach lining. The acid in your stomach will stay where it belongs with this supplement. Some folks take a couple tablespoons of it in water each night before going to bed. Loosen up if you've been dealing with too much acid reflux. Your clothing, that is. Tight pants, close-fitting shirts or pantyhose can make symptoms of acid reflux much worse. If you can, put a robe on or other oversized and very comfy clothes and take it easy. Your symptoms should at least be somewhat alleviated. Instead of continuing to suffer from the painful and annoying effects that come with acid reflux, take your life back. Using preventative measures and other simple adjustments in your life can make a huge difference. Remember the tips in this video so acid reflux doesn't cause more problems than it has to. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.